HO Slot Car Familia, Randycoqui, and it's beautiful, beautiful. It's really a thunderstorm Saturday afternoon, and I'm showing a car which you probably have seen before, because I did run this car on my brother's slot car, Randycoqui's racetrack in Elmhurst, Queens. And this Coca-Cola car is my favorite soft drink, of course, you all know. And he gave this to me as an early birthday present. And this is on a 440x2 chassis by Tyco, practically new. And that was his early birthday gift to me. He also gave me, if you notice these tracks, which I can't use because they're Tyco and I don't have a Tyco set, but guess what he gave me, folks? A Mazda MX-5 Miata HP7 chassis twin pack. And I love these Miatas because they feature a driver. Beautiful colors. I've seen these on auctions on Scott's House of HO Racing YouTube channel, one of the best, if not the best, YouTube channel for HO slot cars that there is on YouTube. And yeah, he gave me it as an early birthday gift, and that's my brother's slot car Randycoqui. These three, and of course this is a recent trip to Hobby Lobby. I can't say recent, it's about maybe going on a couple of months, and I saw this guy. And I didn't know it that I had already ordered it from RC Superstore, and it's safe to say I did not pay that price because I doubted very much I was going to see this at a Hobby Lobby. And lo and behold, there it was waiting for me, Hobby Lobby. So in any event, I'm going to put it on pause while I unpackage these, because I rarely do a live unpackaging or unboxing because it could get nasty. I'll be right back, familia. Look at that, get the whole package there. Randycoqui at HO Slot Cars it is, Blacktop Racecourse. I'll be right back. And here they are, folks. My Lumina Stalker. From what I understand, this was only obtained through an Australian, because it was an Australian release set car. So I don't know how my brother got it, but he got it. It's only released in Australia, from what I understand. And there goes my MX-5 Miatas. That's a gift from my brother to me. And the 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302 on a Super 3 chassis. These two are an HP7 chassis by Tyco, and this is a 440x2 chassis by Tyco. Be right back because we're going to do a quick five. Here is Ford Mustang Boss 302 1970 on a Super 3 chassis by Auto World. Wow, this took off like a rocket. Third lap, folks. And these Super 3s are pretty quick. Fourth lap. Fifth and final lap, folks. The 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302. And here it is. Woof. I was going to coast, but here it is. What a beauty. It is beautiful. And here goes that beautiful avocado green Miata. The MX-5 and an HP7 chassis. Hey, it almost sounds like a Dash chassis. Smooth, very smooth runner. Oh, got a little derailing there. Oh boy, those crisscross tracks. They play havoc. Let's move back a little bit. This is the third lap. Wow, we have problems with that crisscross track. This is the fourth lap. Let's see, we have another derailment. Actually, no. Fifth and final lap, folks. Will he make it? Let's find out. Yes, he did. He's got to go slow on that track. That's it. It is a beautiful avocado green Miata with a driver inside. Wow, when did you see that? Now look at this beauty. That blue one. These cars are pretty quick. I like the way they handle. Except on the crisscross track. Yep. See, even on this one, he deslotted a little bit. Okay, that's the first lap. Second lap. Third lap. Fourth lap. Oh, he spun out. Well, I'm going to put on pause. There she goes. Let's see what lap this is. I lost count. This should be the fifth and final lap. The crisscross track is a pain in the neck. Well, that is the fifth and final lap, but I'm taking for one more makeup lap. Well, no, why not? Come on. So it's raining. I ain't going nowhere. And I hope you guys ain't going nowhere. All right. There it is. A beauty for sure. And here it is. It's the real thing. Aluminum Stocker. My favorite soft drink as part of the livery. Tyco 440x2 chassis. Take it for a quick, hopefully smooth 5. Very quiet. Wow, super quiet. First lap. Second lap. Third lap, folks. Wow. So that, folks, you hear that? It's got me nervous now. Fourth lap. Let me finish this fifth lap. I don't want to be running any electronics. Well, that lightning is happening. Oh, boy, I passed it. I'm going to do 6 laps. Anyway, Hamana. We're gonna, and here it is, folks. The Lumina Stalker. And here we have it, folks. The 1973-02 Ford Mustang Boss. The two MX-5 Miatas. Gift from my brother, these two. As well as the Lumina Stalker 440x2 chassis. These three are by Tyco. And this is a Super 3 chassis by Auto World. And folks, I hope you enjoyed this tumultuous video. This is Randycoqui at HO SLOTCARS at his racecourse, bringing you the what I hope to be entertaining racing or running of the cars. As you can see, I also I've kind of updated. Got some people now. Some people starting to come into my Randycoqui Blacktop Racecourse. Look at that. Got some people waiting for their sodas. And of course, you know, the grandstand over there is always occupied. But also, guess who's packing up the tires? In any event, I forgot about that crew over there at the watchtower, folks. And if you notice, I have a lifelike set that was gifted to me by my brothers, the competition teammates. And I really don't even want to open it, even to get the cars. They're set-only cars, but I just hate to open something, you know, that was sentimental to me, but who knows, one day I may give into the temptation to take out those two cars. In any event, familia, Randycoqui on this Saturday, rainy Saturday afternoon here in Pennsylvania, Lancaster, coming at you from the Randycoqui HO SLOTCARS, it is, Blacktop Racecourse. So have a great night, familia. Stay dry. Got the AC on in this room. I have my favorite primate, my gorilla cookie, bidding you a good night. Ooh, 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 ooh.